Question 5a. Without using calculator, construct the angle A such that 6 tan A equals 8. So 6 tan A equals 8, so tan A equals 8 over 6. And if you divide that by 2, you get tan A equals 4 over 3. So tan is opposite over adjacent, so 4 will be the opposite and 3 will be the adjacent. And the question says construct, so you have to use your compass. If you create a side 3 centimeters, and open up your compass 4 centimeters, and then create an arc, you join 3 centimeters to the arc, and then create a triangle, and mark an angle A so it's opposite 4 centimeters. And then B part 1. A builder wants to construct a roof with a pitch of 30 degrees. The height of the apex above the ceiling level is 2 meters as shown in the diagram. Calculate x, the length of the rafter. So if you do sine rule, you can do x over sine 90 equals 2 over sine 30 degrees. So x equals 2 by sine 90 over sine 30. So it's equal to 2 over 1. 2 by 1 equals over half. So x equals 4. So the second part, if you do Pythagoras theorem, you can get the question is first. Calculate y, the length of the ceiling joist, correct to 2 decimal places. So if you do a Pythagoras theorem for each triangle, you can get the half the ceiling joist. So 4 squared, which is x from the previous question, equals 2 squared plus x squared. 16 equals 4 plus x squared. 12 equals x squared. So x equals root 12. So x equals 2 root 3. And y would be 2x. So y equals 4 root 3. And you're asked for y to 2 decimal places. So y equals 6.93 meters. And then part C. Two planes A and B are approaching Dublin Airport D. Plane A is 30 kilometers from the airport. Angle ABD equals 21 degrees. And angle ADB equals 25 degrees. So if you add 21 and 25 degrees, you get 46 degrees. And if you take that from 180 degrees, you get 134. And that's the measure of angle BAD. So you get, if you do the sine rule, x over sine 134 equals 30 over sine 21. So 30 by sine 134 over sine 21 equals x. So x, correct to the nearest kilometre, is 60 kilometres. So next question. Both planes travel an average speed of 400 kilometres an hour on their approach to the airport. Calculate the time interval in minutes between the two planes landing. So the formula for time is distance over speed. So for plane A, the time would be 30 over 400, which would be 3 over 40 hours. And the time for plane B would be 60 over 400, which is 3 over 20 hours. So 3 over 40 hours in minutes is 4.5 minutes, and 3 over 20 hours in minutes is 9 minutes. So for the time interval, you take 4.5 minutes from 9, and you get a final answer of 4.5 minutes.